Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Ika Marasala. So for today's video, we're going to check out the estimated YouTube revenue of Mark Wiens. So someone is requesting me to check out the estimated revenue. So as you can see, he has a 1114 upload video on his channel, YouTube channel, with a total subscriber of 7.1 million, video views of 1,523,789,961, and country is Thailand, and the channel type is more on travel, guys. And the channel was created February 2nd, 2019. So medyo matagal-tagal ng konti, and total grade is A negative. So this is my first time to vlog a channel or the estimated revenue using Social Blade with this kind of grade, A negative. And you can see the Social Blade rank, subscriber rank, and video views rank, country rank, and travel rank. So he is second from the travel rank, and this is the good thing. And as you can see, subscriber for the last 30 days is 130,000. So that's what he gained on his YouTube channel. And estimated monthly revenue or earning is $9,900 to $158,200. So that's wow. And video views for the last 30 days is 39 million something. So this is higher than 0.1% compared to the last month or the previous month. And as you can see, the total subscriber for the last week, and of course yung kanyang estimated revenue yearly. So i-check natin ang kanyang estimated revenue. So check natin yung 9,900 times 48. So meron siyang 475,200. So that is monthly, guys. I-check natin yung estimated na other one, yung 158,200 times 48, kasi nagbabari or nag-change yung exchange rate ng dollar. So meron siyang 7,593,600. So that's another wow. It's a huge money, guys. And let's go for his estimated revenue yearly of having 118,700. So times 48 again. So he has 5,697,600. And let's go for the 1.9 million. That's a big huge, or that is a big amount. 1,900,000. OMG. So times 48. So 91,200,000. OMG, this is a huge amount. So that is an estimated YouTube revenue of Mark Wiens. So it is only, maybe he can get half of the computation. And many says that Social Blade is not accurate, and well, so since it's not accurate and it's an estimated, so thank you very much for the Social Blade, a public website. At least we have a reference. And yeah, Mark Wiens is currently reside or living in Thailand, and he really likes, and upon seeing his video, he really likes the food and of course the travel. So thank you for Orlando's Cooking for requesting me to check out the estimated YouTube revenue of Mark Wiens. So I really don't have idea about Mark Wiens. but now I have an idea. I check out the videos and of course the views, and then finally I check out his estimated YouTube revenue using Social Blade. So big shout out. Don't forget to subscribe to his channel, Mark Wiens, and the channel is working good. All the performance, the activity on his channel is very nice. So hope you like this vlog, and I hope you watch his vlog and subscribe to his channel, because he is an amazing person. And I know he help also those people living in Thailand, where he is currently living. So big shout out to all the viewers and the followers of Mark Wiens, and of course to the owner of the channel, Mark Wiens. I hope you recognize this vlog, and I know this is only as estimated, and you only know how much you get on your YouTube channel. So let's go jump to his YouTube status summary. So as you can see, his estimated earnings, video views, and subscriber counts, the subscriber that he get on the video he upload on his YouTube channel, and of course the date of the video which is uploaded to this channel. So the estimated is really good, and yeah, it's a really big amount. For me, it is a big amount. So check out, guys. So if you have time, you can check out Social Blade. This is a public website, which is anyone can check out, or you can see how the channel working. You can see the details of the channel of Mark Wiens. So the estimated is very huge. Well, anyway, we cannot deny he has a billion views. What about those previous month? So those are only an estimated what he get on his YouTube channel monthly. So as you can see, his upload video with the subscriber count he gained, and every time he upload video it gains 1 million views. And no wonder why he get a huge amount in his YouTube channel. So let's go for his monthly gain video views for Mark Wiens. So as you can see, there is a month that gained 43 million, 41 million, and yeah, just click the dot on there and you can see how much or how many views he get on every month. And here in a monthly gain subscriber for Mark Wiens, all you have to do is just to click the dot, and you can see the month of having many subscriber he gained. So that is the YouTube channel of Mark Wiens, who is currently living in Thailand. So I hope you like this vlog, and don't forget to subscribe to his channel, and of course to my channel also, Ikim Rasalas. So I just made this vlog for someone who requests me, and this is just only as estimated revenue, and nobody knows how much he get. Nobody knows how much he get on his YouTube channel. Only him, only the channel owner know how much he get on his YouTube channel. And I know he helped a lot of people living in Thailand also. That is the country that I am dreaming to visit, and I hope someday, once things get back into normal, I hope I can visit Thailand, Hong Kong, and a nearby Asian country. So that's for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye bye, keep safe everyone.